Guys, today we discuss about cough, whom we know as a croup. First of all, cough is not a disease, it is immunity process due to psychological factor. So don't worry. When the mucus or sputum drawn into the trachea, there is supposed to be reflex through lungs. Believe it bro, body organs doesn't need your permission. There is only 1% serious case of cough in all over the world. Now you may relax. 50% more frequently affect male as compared to female, mostly autumn weather. Be careful guys. According to American Academy of Pediatrics, in cough, medicines works less, hence case left as it is. And believe it to use honey as a treatment in place of other medicines. Great. In United States, most common reason to go to primary healthcare center is cough. Now after this video, they will use honey. There is 90% case of children left without any treatment. Amazing. There was a time when cough was considered as a disease, but with vaccination, it disappeared thanks to vaccination. Apart from this, the dolphins never coughs and cats cough just before haircut. As you know that now my hair is going to cut. Great, yeah? So dear friends, in this part we learned important information about cough. Soon the next video come. For no useful things, like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you.